Hello, this is Ron Nutter and welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter. This is a handy little device to have with you when you're shooting video, if you need a little more lighting, when you're taking just regular still pictures. Either way, this has got a lot of use to it because sometimes flashes can be a little challenging to work with, and at least with this one you can kind of see your results ahead of time. And I say that because I used to shoot a lot on film, so a lot of times I think about having to wait a while, but with the digital stuff now you can pretty much see it in real time. But on the other hand, what this gives you is it gives you full remote control over wireless. There is an Action Center app, and that's its name, from the folks at Elgato that I have been using. In fact, this video is being shot with another Keylight Mini. I picked up a second one, not because I wanted to spare, because I started seeing some challenges in my lighting that I wanted to have a little more light on the subject, as they say, excusing the pun there. This is something that has an internal battery. They send you a charging cable. If you're going to be running for long periods of time, well, then you could probably use a charging cable as a feed to a power bank. I've never driven mine that long because usually after an hour or so I need to take a break from things, but this has got some options for you to think about. You've got a whole dimming range to it. The smartphone app, let me pull it up here just to remember it. You can modify the temperature of the light. You can do the brightness. There's really not much you can't do with it. Look at one of these, and it's not going to break the bank to have one to learn how to use lighting, because this is going to be easier than some of the conventional LED lights where you've got to have a power supply or you've got to have a collection of batteries. And this one's got an internal battery, so it's just a matter of keeping it charged, and it does a good job on the back of it, letting you know when it needs to have a little rest and get its batteries charged back up. So take a look at this one, and I think you'll want to get one today.